Okay, guys. Wow. Man, this sandwich, it's huge. It's huge. I got a hamburger patty on there, a sausage patty, an egg, four slices of bacon, and two potato patties on there on a brioche bun. Oh, I don't know how I'm going to get my mouth around it. I'm going to give it a try. Alrighty, everyone, we're going to have some fun today. I am making the Happy Eats Colossal Breakfast Sandwich. Oh, you heard it right. Colossal. Oh, yeah, baby. It's got bacon. It's got sausage. It's got a hamburger. It's got a potato patty and a whole lot of love. Come on with me. Let me show you how to put this together. Alrighty, folks. So the first thing we're going to need to make this colossal breakfast sandwich is I have some 8515 grass-fed ground beef. We're going to add a little bit of salt, just to flavor. A little salt to flavor, a little pepper to flavor. You like more pepper? You like more salt? Go ahead, put more pepper, more salt. I got some fresh garlic. Okay, a tablespoon of fresh garlic. And by the way, you see those little, these are like little flyinators. I love this thing, man. They keep the flies away. My buddy Alex grabbed me some. So cool. All right, get a nice helping tablespoon of garlic. Put that in there. Take your meat hooks. We're just going to break this up a little bit. That garlic all through there. Get that meat all nice and happy. Yes, I like the word happy because this is the Happy Eats Colossal Burger. We're going to take a nice ball, form it up into a large meatball style like that. Don't play with your meat, folks. Not too long anyway. I have here that handy dandy hamburger press. Makes perfect hamburgers every time. Put that down there like that. Press it down. Oh, this is going to be a big hamburger. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's going to be a nice big hamburger. Okay. I have here some sweet Italian ground sausage. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to form this because sausage is already sweet Italian. So all the seasoning is already in it for you. I'm just going to take enough to form a nice little patty, roll it into a ball just like I did with the hamburger. We're going to put that right inside of there. We're going to press this down. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now we got a perfect sausage patty. Let me take you over here to the Blackstone. Let's get these cooked up. All right, so I got my Blackstone heating up. And we're using the Blackstone today because we're also going to be using the air fryer attachment on there to cook some potato patties. We're going to go ahead and throw the hamburger and the sausage on there right now. And the hamburger. And then we're going to go ahead and put the bacon on there. All right, guys, the burger and the sausage have been cooking for a few minutes. Now go ahead and we're going to lay 4 strips of thick cut bacon. And we're using 4 slices because why? And you can't make a colossal with only 2 slices of bacon. And we're going to throw 2 potato patties in there. Put them in there. Come back in about 10 minutes and see how they're doing. Alrighty, so this bacon looks like it's almost done. This piece is definitely done. These other 3 might have a little bit more time to go, depending on how crispy you like them. We'll let these 3 crisp up a little bit. We're going to go ahead and flip our hamburger. Oh, yeah, perfect on that. Have a sausage. Oh, yeah. That's some good eats right there. Guys, what are we missing? Leave a comment down below if you know what I'm missing. I can't remember right now what I'm missing. Help me out. What am I missing? Alrighty, so whoever it was in the comments that said, you're missing the egg, Dave. You're absolutely right. I'm missing the egg. Got a little bit of oil. Got a nice egg here right from the chickens right outside. Oh, yeah. Delicious. I've moved the bacon to the side, moved the burgers to the side. I've got that egg cooking here now, but I want to make a fried egg today. So I'm not letting the yolk get all nice and soft on top. So we're going to let that cook a little bit. These burgers are looking done. We're going to get some provolone cheese on there. Cheese. I got a nice brioche bun here. Go ahead and put that up there. Let that toast up. Go. Flip that over just like that. Let that side cook for a minute. Alrighty, everyone. Let's go ahead and start building this sandwich. I'm going to go with the burgers first. I already stacked them up together, as you see. Egg. I don't know how the hell I'm going to fit this in my mouth, but I'm going to. And we got that bacon. All right. That bacon on there. That's a little hot. Get them on there. Be a little bit too much bacon. I think I may have overdid it on the bacon, but hey, it's the colossal burger, right? Let's get those potato patties out of there. Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do here, but okay. Let's get the top bun on. Yeah, she's about to topple over. But there you go, guys. The Happy Eats Colossal Breakfast Burger. I had no idea how I'm ever going to bite this, but definitely going to be fun to try. Let's grab some pictures. Back in a minute. Okay, guys. Wow. Man, this sandwich, it's huge. I got a hamburger patty on there, a sausage patty, an egg, 4 slices of bacon, and two potato patties on there on a brioche bun. Oh, I had no idea how I'm going to get this in my mouth, but I'm definitely going to give it a try. I'm going to slice this in half, see how I do. You can do it. You can do it. Thanks, Mom. You're welcome. Yeah. All right, guys. Oh, boy. Oh, cheers, everyone. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Mm. You gotta listen to your mama. Then you could do it. Oh my God. I've been chewing for an hour. That was a big bite. The Happy Eats Colossal Burger Breakfast Burger, guys. There it is. Even the birds agree. Hamburger patty, sausage patty, fried egg, 4 slices of bacon, brioche bun, and two potato patties. Ah, it don't get no better than that. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to smash that like button and check out this video coming up where I made another burger called the Happy Eats Happy Burger. That's another big colossal burger. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to leave a little bit of it right here, right now. I made the Happy Eats Happy Burger. We got bacon, we got egg, we got onion, we got avocado, we got lettuce, we got tomato, we got ketchup, brioche bun, and a whole lot of love. But until next time, as always, God bless. Happy Eats.